Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say this phrase, meaning frog's legs in French, because of course everybody knows that in France we eat frogs all the time, and especially the legs. Well, it's not actually true. Hardly anybody eats frog legs in France. I'm afraid to disappoint you, but still, you're here to know how to say this. So how do we go about it? Cuisses de grenouilles. Cuisse being French for the upper leg, really, not the whole leg, but you know, that's how we say it, because you really eat the upper part mainly of frog legs. Yes, I have eaten some. It tastes delicious, by the way. Cuisses de grenouilles. Grenouille being French for frog. And now you know Cuisses de Grenouilles. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting French food names and French vocabulary and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.